Happy Friday, everybody. Obviously, I'm not here, and since it's the end of third quarter today, we're going to just have a day where you can watch a movie. That's going to be the main thing that you're doing today, is watching The Sandlot. And so I'm going to go over a few options of what you can do during that time and just a few expectations while the movie is going on. And so as we go through Champ's expectations, while the movie's going on, your conversation should be a whisper, meaning you can whisper to the person next to you, but don't ruin it for those who are actually trying to watch the movie. And so that means conversations from one table to the next or across the room should not be happening. If you need help or if you have questions, raise your hand for the guest teacher to come your way. The activity. So you have a couple options here. The Sandlot will be on, and if you want to watch that movie, you can watch the movie. Otherwise, if you're not really interested in that, you can be on your Chromebooks. There are coloring sheets and Sudoku sheets on the front table that you could work on. You can be on your phone. Please don't take pictures or videos in class, but if you want to do other things on there, you can. And of course, with it being the last day of the quarter, you can obviously spend time to get your grade up in any class. So if you have other homework that you have, you can obviously work on that too. So between any of these options, keep yourself busy and follow the expectations. As far as movement, you will be able to move before the movie begins to sit with one friend, and you need to avoid having groups of 3 or 4 sitting together. So don't abuse this privilege and sit with one. It shouldn't be all together, and choose wisely who you're going to sit next to. And then just show your character. Be respectful with the guest teacher, with each other, and enjoy the movie. I will see you after spring break. Enjoy your day.